So here's how you can allow camera access on Android. So let me show you how it works generally. If it's your first time in here on this channel, definitely subscribe for more tips and videos like this one. So essentially it all gets managed inside of the settings, so you can get inside like that, and there are some options on how you can actually approach this. The best way would be to go to the security and privacy section, which is definitely findable right there. And when you go there, you can see some different things, but there are the permissions tracker and manager. So you can tap on the camera right here and see the usage history. So that's really useful, but you can also manage the permissions. So when you go to the permissions manager, you can tap on a camera, and here are all of the apps which have it allowed at all the time or allowed only while in use. And there is also another section which app is supposed to ask every time to ask the camera, and then the apps which don't have any access to your built-in camera. So this is how you can see your apps being separated into these categories, and you can of course manage the individual apps one by one. So you can, for example, tap on one of the apps which has it not allowed and change it to, for example, ask it the next time, or perhaps allow it every single time the app is being used. So this is a nice way to have it all put together in one place and have it everything in control. So that's how you can manage the permissions, not only for the camera as you can see, but also for a microphone and other things which you might be interested in. So I hope I was able to help you out with that. If you found this video helpful, hit the thumbs up to let me know about that, but definitely stay tuned for more by subscribing, and that way you'll never miss anything important.